Hello Google Messages users. Google Messages recently rolling out trash feature in their message app. If your Google Messages trash feature not coming yet in your Google Message app, let's see how to fix trash feature not showing in your Google Messages. Step 1. Open your Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Google Message app. Go to Google Message app. Now scroll down. From here, please join Google Message beta program because Google officially say that now trash feature only available with 27 February 2026 beta version. So make sure you are a beta tester. So if you join the beta program, you will get the new trash feature in your Google Message app. Now scroll up. Now please update your Google Message app. So if you follow these two steps, trash feature not showing in your Google Message app will be successfully solved.